Hey guys, it's Danielle Tula with DIY with Danielle, and today we're gonna upcycle candle jars. I love candles. I cannot walk into Home Goods without buying a bunch of candles. I always have candles going, which means that I always have a lot of empty candle jars lying around my house. I use them for many different things. I drink coffee out of them. I use them for planters. I have them in my bathroom with soaps in them. And today I'm looking to do a little bit of a upgrade on my makeup vanity, so where I get ready in the morning. And I figured I have these three that are super great. I want to use this massive one as a makeup brush holder. I want to use this for cotton pads. It's a little guy, but I figured I could use it for my lipsticks and my lip gloss. So let's get started. When I tell you this is the easiest DIY in the entire world, I am not being dramatic, though I typically am. This is so simple. All that you need to do is get some warm water and pour it into these and clean them out. That's it. You just need to clean out the old candle jars, get rid of any of the excess wax that's just lying on the bottom, and you're good to go. There are a lot of ways to do this. You'll see online. Some people freeze them. You can put them in the oven. I find this to be the easiest and the fastest way, so let's do it. You'll see that my candles are burnt out pretty well. I definitely use all of my candles to the fullest. All I have to do is put this warm water in, and then all of the excess wax and everything, it'll all go to the top, and then I'll just filter it out and they will be good to go. If you do have any bigger, chunkier pieces maybe that you can get with a spoon to prep these, you can totally do that. But for the most part, if your candles look like this, they are good to go. All right, here we go. You can see everything starting to lift up. Also, oh, this smells so good. It still smells like the candle, and it is just amazing. Since I don't have a ton of wax at the bottom of this one, there's not too much that has to pull up to the top, but you'll definitely see there's all this like wax coating that's floating around up top, and this is good to go. I can't stress it enough how simple it is to do this. It's also very satisfying to see all of the wax start to pull to the top. I'm gonna go ahead and strain them. This way the wax doesn't go down my sink. Instead, just the water will all go out. I'll strain the wax, then I'll throw it in the trash, and then we can get on to the exciting part. Okay, we are ready to go. I have everything that I need to do my beauty vanity renovation upgrade with my upcycled candle jars. So I'm going to actually fill up this big one with cotton balls because I want to put my makeup brushes in it. It's like the perfect width. It's nice and round. I'm going to put in some cotton balls to give it that height. Then I'm actually going to take these pearls to make it look pretty at the top. So, all right, cotton ball time. You can use beads, you can use anything to do this really, rocks, but I wanted to use something that I already have in the house. Again, these are upcycled, right? So instead of wasting more products to buy more things, I already have cotton balls, and I already have these extra pearls for the headbands that I was making, and so I might as well put them to good use. So, all right, this looks like it'll work. Now I'll be able to just grab and use. I'm gonna use this for my cotton pads. So I need these always when I get all that residue eyeshadow on my face, and also when I do my manicures, my DIY manicures. Okay. Perfect. I know this is little and it's kind of silly, but I use one lipstick every single day, and it always gets stuck at the bottom of my makeup bag. I'm always looking for it. I'm always like, where's the lipstick? Where's the lipstick? Now, perfect, done. I have everything ready to go. I have my upcycled candle jar with my cotton pads. I have my upcycled candle jar with my lipstick that I always lose and now I won't. And for my makeup brushes, this big old candle jar given new life, and for something that makes so much sense because obviously I'm always playing with my makeup. So now I am ready to go style my vanity and I'm really excited. I cannot recommend this DIY enough. It is so simple. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Definitely let me know what you want to see next time on DIY with Danielle.